inserts and doublers and liners. Oh my! Today I'm going to tell you all about cloth diaper inserts. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of ClothCuties.com, a site designed to encourage you to cloth diaper your baby. From an infant through the toddler years, I've got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. It's good to see you. You know what? Over time, as baby grows, what worked when they were teeny tiny infants and newborns might not work as well when they become a bigger baby. So one thing that we can use to help troubleshoot for many problems that occur in cloth diapering is using inserts and doublers and incorporating them into the mix. Today, I'm going to tell you all about inserts, doublers, and liners. Now, these words, inserts, doublers, and liners, often get interchanged. I am guilty of using them as if they're synonyms. However, they're not, and I'm going to give you some quick definitions. Let's go. First, let's define inserts. Inserts are the absorbent layer of material that's stuffed into pockets of diapers, laid into covers, or maybe even snapped into covers. However they get into your diaper, they are the main source of material that is charged with absorbing all the wetness that your baby puts out. Next, we have doublers, which are also often called boosters, but their task is to heighten, increase, or boost the absorbency of your insert. They're usually paired with inserts to stuff, lay in, snap in to your diaper as well. The key to remember is that a doubler is a supplemental layer to your main insert. And finally, liners. Now, liners is the word that I commonly interchange with inserts, but they are definitely not the same. A liner is a thin piece of material that acts as a barrier for your cloth diaper. Whether you're using it as a barrier to trap and catch poop so you can dispose of it more easily, or if you're using like a cream or a diaper rash rub, a liner's purpose is not for adding absorbency. It's simply for protecting the diaper. You can find them in disposable or reusable format. Now that we know what they are, let me show you some common diaper inserts. There are usually four main types of inserts. You have microfiber, you have bamboo, hemp, and cotton. Those are four very common materials that are used to blend in concert with other materials to give us the liners that we think of. The first one that I'm going to show you, these are both microfiber liners. This one's actually technically a doubler. It's thicker. It's something that I purchased in addition to boost the absorbency of this microfiber liner. Now, this microfiber liner has a terry cloth pattern to the material. Terry cloth just means that it looks like a towel that you use for washing your body. It has tiny, uncut little raised loops that cover the whole surface. Microfiber is a synthetic material, meaning that it's not found in natural sources on the planet. But people like it because it's economical, it absorbs well, and it dries fast. You can put these types of liners into your dryer. That's always a plus. However, because of its drying powers, you want to avoid putting microfiber on your baby's bottom. You actually don't want it to touch the baby's skin because that same absorbency, that same drying power that it has can also dry out your baby's bottom, causing irritation and rashes. And girl, that is not what we're going for with cloth diapering. The next insert that I have is made of hemp. Now, hemp is a very thin liner. Let's see if we can compare it side by side to a microfiber liner. It's just a thin layer of material. People love hemp because it is natural, sustainable, it's antimicrobial, and it goes a long way. Hemp has earned its claim to fame because it absorbs really well, but it dries slowly, especially if you hang dry these. I do not put these into the dryer. I let them hang dry on my dry rack alongside my cloth diapers. Hemp can be more expensive, but it's effective. The last one that I'm going to show you is a cotton insert. Now, this is a pre-fold, but I like to fold this in thirds and stuff it into my cloth diaper. Cotton is awesome because it's readily available. It's very easy to find. You actually could probably find things in your house made of cotton material that if you're not using anymore, you could use to stuff inside your diaper. Remember, we're always trying to be practical. Many people like cotton because not only is it easy to find, but if you're feeling bougie and fancy, you can always find it in an organic material. These cotton inserts can also easily go in the dryer. They are very absorbent, they dry well, cotton is always a good go-to. And lastly, before I move on, I want to acknowledge that there are bamboo inserts. I do not have any bamboo inserts in my stash, but people usually love bamboo inserts because they're natural-ish, they're extremely soft. They're softer than a lot of the hemp. Hemp dries and becomes very crunchy. Bamboo is known for maintaining its soft, supple qualities from wash to wash to wash to wash. Because of the way that we harvest and process bamboo, we call it natural-ish because we know bamboo is found naturally on the earth, but the process of processing it for your use is very harsh and not always sustainable. Bamboo is more on the expensive side of inserts, but again, people love it because it stays so soft. Okay, now here's where we switch definitions a little bit. A lot of pocket diapers may come with microfiber inserts. That's very common to see, but it becomes a doubler when you pair it with something like a cotton pre-fold, and you're using these together to boost the absorbency of your diaper. This is an insert alone, paired with something else, it's a doubler. Another combination that we see often is hemp and microfiber. Now hemp you want to place at the back of your diaper when you're stuffing it. Farthest away from baby skin is usually how hemp works best, sucking all the moisture through the microfiber into the hemp. Many moms like this combination for boosting or increasing their cloth diapers absorbency. Today, y'all, it does not take a demo baby for me to show you what I mean. This tutorial is going to be super simple. So I have here a cotton pre-fold that I am using as my main insert. I'm going to pair it with a hemp liner. Put these together. This is a waterproof cloth cover. You can simply place this inside the diaper, making sure that the cotton portion is touching baby and the hemp is farther away to give lots of absorbency. All you have to do is add a baby, fold this up, button it, and this can be a good cloth diapering solution. Not pretty, but good. Similarly, I have a roll of bamboo liners here that I want to show you, and I'll use an all-in-one diaper to demonstrate these for you. All you have to do is pull off this liner. It looks a whole lot like a dryer sheet. That's the way it feels, that's how thin it is. But this liner, you take your diaper and all you do is put it on top to act as a protective barrier to the absorbent layers underneath. So you can use this to capture poop. If you don't want to rinse diapers, you would simply put the liner on top of the diaper, and when you open it, remove the liner with the poop on it. Or you can use a liner if you want to use protective creams on your baby. If your baby has a diaper rash or you just like creams or whatever on your baby, you would put this down to protect the diaper, the absorbent material of the diaper, from any oils in the cream that might damage the diaper itself. This protective barrier, the liner, will not allow the oils to seep through to damage your diaper. Once again, you place the liner, add a baby, and close this up. I hope you're able to see now that a liner is not an insert. An insert can function standalone on its own as an absorbent material for your diaper, or you can add to it to increase the absorbency of an insert with a doubler, which is just another insert that you've partnered with your main insert to make your diaper more absorbent. I hope that's clear as mud. Keep in mind that there are also lots of blends. So there are hemp blends, cotton blends, bamboo blends. Whatever your material you decide you like, there's a blend that you can usually find that has the absorbency and material that you're looking for your baby or what you desire for your baby. While some are on the more expensive side, I encourage you to try it out, figure out what works for you and your child, and you'll be on your way. All right, guys, that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do you have questions for me? Is there a particular blend? Is there a particular style of insert that you already love? Share that below in the comments. Tell me what you're liking, what you're using. And if you have questions for helping you pick what you're looking for, make sure you head over to clothcuties.com for more insight on simplifying your cloth diapering experience. Bye, guys.